Hi everyone, this is Emmy. I've had several requests to do a little mini backpack, so I'm going to go ahead and do that as a little key ring. So let's get started. To make this miniature crochet backpack, I'm going to work with 100% cotton worsted yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot, and I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join in the very first chain, and that will form a ring. Carry this yarn end along the outside of the ring so you can close the hole. Chain 1. Make 8 single crochet in the ring. To make a single crochet, insert the hook, pick up the yarn and pull it through. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through both loops. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make 8 single crochet in the ring. End of the row, slip stitch to join. Now you can take that yarn end and you can pull it and you'll be able to close the center of the little backpack. Now I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next, 1, 2, single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2. I'm going to repeat that all the way around. 1, 2. 1 and 2. Now I'm just going to start working in a spiral, and I'm going to make 2 double crochet in every 3rd stitch until this circle is as large as I would like it to be for the bottom of my little backpack. So single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, single crochet, and 2 single crochet, 1 and 2, single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Now just keep doing that until you have this bottom section as large as you would like. Now I'm going to make it probably 1 more row. So I'll go off camera and do that, and I'll come back and show you. Okay, I just worked 1 more row. Now I'm going to just single crochet in each stitch around until my little bag is as tall as I would like it to be. So I'll go off camera and do that. So it's just 1 single crochet in each stitch, no increase, and just keep doing it for the height. Okay, I've gone ahead and worked 1 single crochet in each stitch around until the backpack is as tall as I would like it to be. And you can just check by folding those 2 sides in. Now I'll start working the flap. I'm going to chain 1 and turn, and I'm going to work into 6 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So chain 1 and turn, work back across the row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 1 and turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 1 and turn. I'm going to do 1 more row. Okay, so now I'm going to turn my work. I'm not going to chain 1. I'm going to slip stitch into this stitch, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, slip stitch in the last stitch, and then I'll make my buttonhole. So I'm going to turn my work, slip stitch in the next stitch, chain 1, 2, 3, chain 4, and slip stitch into the last stitch. Fasten off. So that will be my little flap, and I'm going to sew a button there. I'm just going to chain a cord. So I made the cord so that it's a little bit longer than the actual bag. And I decided to make my cord in a pink color, and I just threaded it into a yarn needle. And I'm just going to hold my little bag like this, and I'm going to tuck the two sides in, and this is how I want it to close. So I'm going to go through here and through here. That will close that side, and I'm just going to come right over to the other side, and I'm going to go through this stitch, come through a stitch here like that, thread this yarn end from the little flap into the finished work. I have some beads here. I threaded my cord into a yarn needle, and I'm going to pull that right up as far as I can, and then I'm going to make a knot here, and that will keep the bead from falling off. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other one. I'm going to check to see where the button needs to go. I'm just going to pull the yarn through here like that, pass this through my button, and I'm going to tie the button on. And if you do a double knot, you pass this through one more time, then that will stay on without coming undone. And I'm just going to cut that off. So now I can button my little flap like that. There's my two little cords, and I have a key ring here to find the center. So I'm just going to open up my key ring, and I'm going to pass that through right there. So there you go, there's a mini backpack keyring. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll put this pattern on my blog. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.